So in the previous lecture we have studied the example using Euler's method. In this lecture we will study the same example using Runge-Kutta method. So let's get started. So we had the example: consider a system having the following parameters: Pm is equal to 3 per unit, R1 Pm is equal to 1.2 per unit, R2 Pm is equal to 2 per unit, H is equal to 3, F is equal to 60 Hz, del T is equal to 0.02 seconds, Pe is equal to 1.5 per unit. Determine the rotor angle and angular frequency at the end of 0.02 seconds, but using Runge-Kutta method. So we have to solve this example using Runge-Kutta method, as previously we have seen modified Euler's method. So we have already calculated in the previous lecture as del naught is equal to 30 degree, that is 0.524 radians, and initial relative angular velocity omega naught is equal to 0, and equations, two derivative equations, that is d del by dt is equal to omega or d omega, and d omega by dt is equal to 62.83, 1.5 minus 1.2 sine delta. So we use same equations for solving Runge-Kutta method. So using the same values as we have solved in previous equation, d del by dt is equal to omega, d omega by dt is equal to 62.83 into 1.5 minus 1.2 sine delta. Delta naught is equal to 0.524 and omega naught is equal to 0. Using Runge-Kutta method we know that K1 is equal to omega naught del T, and since omega naught is equal to 0, so K1 is equal to 0, and L1 is equal to 62.83, 1.5 minus 1.2 sine delta naught into del T. If we put the value of delta naught and del T, we get the value of L1 as equal to 1.13094, and we know K2 is equal to omega naught plus L1 by 2 into delta T. As we have calculated the value of L1 in the previous step, we can calculate K2 and it comes out to be 0.0113094. Similarly, we can calculate L2, which is equal to 62.83 into 1.5 minus 1.2 sine delta naught plus K1 by 2 into del T, and we have already calculated the value of K1, so we put the values, we get L2 is equal to 1.13094, which is also again equal to L1. Similarly we can calculate the value of K3, which is equal to omega naught plus L2 by 2 into del T, and we have already calculated the value of L2, so it comes out to be 0.0113094, and L3 is equal to 62.83 into 1.5 minus 1.2 sine del naught plus K2 by 2 into del T. If we put the value of del naught, K2 and del T, we get the value of L3 is equal to 1.123045, and K4 is equal to omega naught plus L3 into del T, and if we put the value of omega naught, L3 and del T, we get the value of K4 is equal to 0.02246. Similarly, we can calculate L4, which is equal to 62.83 into 1.5 into 62.83 into 1.5 minus 1.2 into sine delta naught plus K3 into del T, and if we put the value of delta naught, K3 and T, we get the value of L4 as 1.115699. So the new estimate of variables would be equal to, using Runge-Kutta method, del 1 is equal to del naught plus 1 by 6 K1 plus 2 K2 plus 2 K3 plus K4. If we put the value of del naught, K1, K2, K3, K4 and solve this equation, we get the value of del 1. So it would be equal to 0.524 plus 1 by 6, as K1 is equal to 0, so 0 plus 4 into 0.0113094, as K2 and K3 were equal, so we can keep the value 4 into K2. So we have 0 plus 4 into 0.0113094 plus 0.02246. If we solve this equation, we get D1 is equal to 0.53528. Similarly, we can calculate the value of omega 1, which is equal to omega naught plus 1 by 6 into L1 plus 2L2 plus 2L3 plus L4. If we put all these values, we get the value of omega 1 as 1.125768. Thank you.